everyone, today we will be making key charms. These are some I made before, and today I'm going to tell you the full tutorial how to make key charms. So for making key charms we will be needing pliers, some beads, and we're also going to be needing some scissors and stretch wire. So these are the stuff I'm going to be using to make key charms. So let's get started. So I'm going to be using some beads from here. So I don't have a place, so I'm going to pour them in this. So today the theme will be blue, so I'm going to use blue beads to make key charms. So first I'm using this blue bead, then these from the glass beads, and then I think I will use a shell because sea theme. And then we're going to need some of the transparent. I'll just pour some on the grass so I could find. So yeah, I'll be using some of these transparent ones. So I think I should just put these in here, and I should put the selected beads inside here, so I will know what I'm using. It will be a little hard. So I'm thinking if I want to use these, I will use this diamond shape. It's pretty. And we're going to need a butterfly. I think butterfly will look good. And I was just wondering if I had a blue flower, but I don't. That's okay. Yeah, and I'm going to be needing some pearls. I'll be back. Before selecting other beads, I'm going to just clean this up so I won't lose any of my stuff here, because it's actual grass. Yeah, so I'm just putting them back. I think I'm even putting grass inside. Oh, I found a pearl. It's really difficult to pick up the bead from this grass. I'm getting all the grass and mud on my hands. But it's fine because my beads aren't getting dirty. That's why I chose the grassy area of this garden. Okay, just the last few left. And here we go. Everything is clean up. So these are the selected beads I'll be using to make my key charm. So I'm going to be using a heart from these, and I'm also going to take out this pearl because I think these look good. So these are the beads we chose. Now let's go on and tell you how to combine them together. So for that we're going to be needing this kit. I know I didn't show it in the starting, but we are not going to be needing all the kit. We're just going to be needing these to make the bracelets like charms. So I'm going to be taking a lot of these and putting them in here. Here we go. That's all we need. I think we might need these too. Some jump rings. They're called jump rings. So yeah, now I'll close it. So first we're going to do is take any of the bead and take this, and now we're going to place them in here. Now what you're going to do is going to use these take them back, then turn them around, and you're going to be making it like a circle, and that's how it's done. You're just going to close this up, and here you have it hanging. Now you can hang this on your charm. First bead done. A few more to go. So for what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to be taking one, but I'll be taking two in one. So what you're going to do is add a pearl like this, then you're going to be adding this on top, and now you're going to close it like this. Okay, like this, and now it's closed. That's how it looks. So two done. Okay, third one. You know, sometimes it just get a little harder to close the loop. Okay, but that's fine. Here. Here we got another. So I think I have made a decision, and I'm going to use only one of these. So I'll be taking this out, and I'll be using this for the last bead. So here we go, last one to loop. Oh. Oops, sorry. Okay, fifth one done. You know why I didn't use the pearl? Because I'm going to be using this at the first one, so it already has a hole, so I won't be needing to use these in it. Instead, I'm going to be using a jump ring to hang it with the others. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to put them all together. Here we go, the first one like this. Now you're going to use your pliers to close them too. Here's another. We're gonna open them, and now I'm going to put this in here. Gonna grab my pliers and then hang it on. So where I have opened this loop, so I'm going to open this loop here or here, and I'm going to add this one here, because they're big enough. I only did this because I don't think I will be needing a jump ring between them here. So we have last two left. Here's the jump ring. And here's the butterfly. Oops. And the last one. I'm going to put this above this, and like I did before, I'm going to open this up. So and put it in here like this. So I'm just going to tie it with this, like this. And here we have a charm. Now I'm going to show you how to make the top. For making the top, we're going to be needing stretch wire. So here I'm taking stretch wire this long, and I'm just gonna cut it. Now what you're going to do is that you're needing these are so tiny, but you're going to be needing them to So here you're going to take this and add it inside. It's actually the most hard part, that you have to take both of them out. Okay, here it's out. Now you're going to take it here. Now what you're going to do is that you'll take this again and use this. You're going to take both of these out from here. And now you're going to take them back into these. Now this one might be a little hard because and it might take time because it's really hard to get, you know, all of them out from this one. So one can be getting out easily like this. I got one out. Okay. Here. Now I'm going to put this fourth one. So here it is coming out. Now I'm going to take this like this, and now I'm going to tie this up like this. Now you're going to just tie them normally. One and two. Here we go. Two is enough. Now you're going to be cutting it. One and two. Okay, here we have the top. Now the last part. So for the last part, I'm going to just add this in here, and here we have our beautiful key charm. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.